The COSORI air fryer toaster oven is a versatile appliance that combines the functions of an air fryer, toaster oven, and convection oven. It offers 12 different cooking modes, making it suitable for a variety of cooking tasks. Some of its features and functions include air frying. The appliance uses hot air circulation and a minimal amount of oil to cook food with a crispy texture, similar to deep frying but with less oil. Toasting. It can toast bread, bagels, and other baked goods to your desired level of browning. Baking. The convection feature allows you to bake cookies, cakes, and other baked goods evenly. Roasting. You can roast meats, vegetables, and other ingredients using the oven's convection feature, which circulates hot air for even cooking. Broiling. The top heating elements can be used for broiling, providing high heat to quickly cook and brown the top of dishes. Dehydrating. The oven includes a dehydrating function, allowing you to make homemade dried fruits, jerky, and more. 12 functions. Choose the preset that's best for you without needing to set a temperature. Pick from toast, bagel, pizza, bake, roast, air fry, broil, cookies, rotisserie, dehydrate, ferment, or select warm to keep your food ready to serve. Large capacity. Cook for 5 to 7 people with the 32-quart/30-liter air fryer toaster oven, which can fit a 13-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, or an entire rotisserie chicken. Convection function. Reduce your cooking time by using the smart air fryer toaster oven. Use the convection fan for fast and even cooking, especially if you like crispy results. This function is perfect for a rotisserie chicken. Recipes and accessories. Check out the included 100 recipe book and 6 accessories such as the crumb tray, fry basket, food tray, wire rack, and rotisserie fork set for more cooking options. To purchase a toaster oven baking set, search a CAO 1-3AC. Less oil. Air fry your food with up to 85% less oil than traditional deep-fried foods, making for a simpler cooking experience. Turn your toaster oven into an air fryer. Specifications. Power supply, AC 120V, 60 Hz rated power, 1800 W. The voltage only applies to the US and Canada. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please click the subscribe button, bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the products. Links.